Hey, so that work-life balance is crazy at times. So yesterday, my wife went on a field trip with our oldest daughter. They went to a camp pretty much all day. I had to take our other two daughters to school, pick them up from school, get them ready for cheerleading practice, then take them over to cheerleading practice. All while trying not to skip a beat on my meetings and whatnot. Pulled it off, made it throughout the day. It's definitely not easy. And then this morning right now, heading to the airport, gonna fly out for a quick trip to Northwest Arkansas and go visit with my partner Brian out there, and then gonna go visit our property Watercolors. Gonna do some content creation. We're gonna visit with a landowner. We've been working on finalizing a JV, help him get his land rezoned for multifamily and then build. Also meeting with some brokers for happy hour, and our big investor in Watercolors. Gonna be meeting with them tomorrow and walking the property. Work-life balance, right? I don't know if it's a balance, but more like a juggling act.